In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw amount from Revolut Business account. We're focusing on moving money out of your Revolut Business savings and into one of your currency accounts so you can use those funds for everyday payments, payroll, or transfers. The process is quick, and I'll walk you through it with a few helpful tips along the way. Start inside your Revolut Business dashboard and open Treasury from the main menu. Treasury is where your cash management tools live, including your savings balances and any funds you've set up. Once Treasury is open, head to the Savings and Funds tab. This view shows your business savings accounts and the balances available to withdraw. Next, choose Withdraw. You're initiating a transfer out of your savings, not closing anything. Just moving funds from savings back to a spendable currency account within your business profile. When the withdrawal screen opens, enter the amount you want to move. Make sure the amount doesn't exceed your available balance and take a second to confirm you're withdrawing from the correct savings pot if you have more than one. Now choose the destination, your desired currency account. If you're moving money to an account in the same currency, the transfer should be straightforward. If you're moving to a different currency, you'll typically see a live exchange rate before confirming. Review the rate and any information presented on screen so you know exactly what will land in the destination account. If there's a reference or note field, consider adding a short memo like operating expenses or invoice payout to keep your records clear. One of the benefits of Revolut Business Savings is flexibility. You can withdraw money from your business savings account anytime so you're not locked in or forced to wait for a specific date. This makes it easy to top up your working capital when you need it and move funds back to savings when you don't. After you confirm, withdrawals are typically instant. You should see the money appear in the destination currency account right away, ready to use. In rare cases, processing can take 1 to 2 days. If that happens, keep an eye on the transaction status in your activity feed. Avoid submitting the same withdrawal twice, and if it's still pending after the indicated time frame, follow the in-app support prompts for an update. That's it. Open Treasury, go to Savings and Funds, select Withdraw, enter your amount, choose the destination currency account, and confirm. Double check the currency and any displayed rate, and you're good to go.